Hi everyone, I am back again this week with another interesting recipe for you guys to try out, which is the Nigerian chicken stew recipe. For this recipe, I'm going to be using hard chicken, that is a whole chicken, live chicken, hard chicken, and I kind of want the stew simple, not too spicy and all. So I'm using hard chicken for this. You can use turkey, you can use fish, you can use beef, whichever protein sits well with you, that's fine. So a pot, I'm going to transfer the chicken to it. Then I'm going to season with some onion, some seasoning cube, curry powder, thyme, and some salt to balance everything. Then I'm going to mix everything to combine before I go in with some water. Just a little bit of water so that it can help it cook for the next 10 to 15 minutes. After about 12 minutes, the meat had rendered some of these juices. Then I'm just going to give it a quick stir before I go in with enough water to help cook the meat properly. You need roughly about 25 to 30 minutes to cook hard chicken to perfection. But I don't want it to be too soft, I still want it a bit hard, not too soft. I am using little tomatoes and onions for this recipe, and the reason why I'm taking out the seeds from the tomatoes is because I am not using tatashi or shombo, also known as sweet chili pepper and red bell pepper. That would have made it sweeter, hence I would not take out the seed. But since I'm using little tomatoes, I don't want the bitter taste from the seeds, so I'm taking it out. Then I'll blend it together with the onions and set aside. Back to check on our chicken. It is cooking really well and it is well cooked at this point. Then I'm just going to take it out, then I'll save the meat stock for later use. If you are still watching to this very point, it means you're enjoying the video. Please give me a hit on that subscribe button and like this video. Also leave me a comment, thank you. To a dry pot, I'm just going to add in enough oil to help me fry the meat. Then once it heats up, I'm going to add in the chicken and I'll make sure I'm stirring so that it does not burn. You want this dry but not too dry, but dry because it's still going to soak up some moisture in this sauce. If you're a huge fan of healthy living, then you can just oven bake this, or you can grill this or use your air fryer to dry it up, and that's fine. But we don't have air fryer, then we just have to go through this process. But with your views, likes and subscription, then we can reach monetization easily and afford it. So I'm just going to take it out, then set aside. I want you to listen to this. That effect actually takes your stew from 0 to 100. So I just added in these tomatoes, then I just give it a quick stir, put it on medium to low heat, and I started cooking it. To achieve the perfect stew, you need to cook it on very low heat. You need a lot of patience. So I was checking this at regular intervals and I fried this for a total of 45 minutes to 50 minutes thereabout. You will know your stew is ready when there are no yellow bubbles or orange bubbles right on top it. The oil is completely clear and there are no yellow bubbles. You know your stew is ready. Then it is time to season. To season this, I'm going to go lightly with some seasoning cube. Then I'm going to add in curry, thyme, then I'll add in the chicken. I forgot I had meat stock available. I just added it in right now, and still here the taste was really fine and it was okay. Then I'll allow this cook for about maybe 5 to 10 more minutes so that there'll be a intercommunication between the chicken and the sauce, and that's basically it. This pairs well with white rice and it tastes better the next day. So I made this the previous night against the next day, and this is how it was looking the next day. Not too much oil, everything was perfect. Thank you all for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.